Video tutorial. This time we'll discuss how to uninstall XAMPP in Linux or XAMPP of Linux, how to open terminal. Then we stop first the XAMPP or the XAMPP. We managed to stop. Next, let's check the XAMPP file still exists with command. Apparently still there. Directly we uninstall with command. Enter. Select yes. We wait for the process uninstall until finished. Okay. Well, now we check. Has it been erased with the command? Well, it's still here. Let's close the terminal first. Then we reopen. The folder is still there. We check here to make sure. Now let's try to delete. It's still here. Still stored. Well, here is still the XAMPP folder. Now let's try to delete this folder until clean. Well, here already. Lost ya folder XAMPP. Let's check here. Well, it has worked. Empty, yeah. Means we've cleared. Folder lamp. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.